Most people I meet, they are incredibly excited to impact the world. I mean, the people I hang with, it's like they wake up and that's their burning mission. Let's impact the world today. Let's change the world. Let's influence it for good. So here's the only problem. You can't impact the world if you're just like the world. You can't impact the world if you're just like the world. So you have these two engines inside of you, which are burning impact and then essentially fitting in, right? Burning impact, fitting in. Burning impact, fitting in. And many times these two are diametrically opposed to each other. In other words, the only way you're going to impact the world is if you're different from it. Otherwise, you are just a copycat image of it. And the big question is how? How can we maintain our difference from the world? Well, I don't know about you, but part of it is by feeding your brain different things. In other words, you know that if you are doing a bodybuilding competition or extreme athletics, you have to fuel your body differently. You can't expect your body to perform at the same level if you're fueling it with things that aren't going to help it perform. In other words, we even say things like carb crashes, sugar rushes, caffeine fixes, these types of things. It hinders your performance. Well, it's the same thing with your mind. If you're feeding your mind with all the thoughts, all the philosophies, all the concepts that the world is consuming, how are you going to be different than the world? You're not. You're going to be just like it, and you're not going to impact the world. In my favorite book, it says, do not be conformed to the world, but be transformed by the renewing of your mind. It all starts in the mind. You are what you think. So, ask yourself a question today. Ask yourself if you truly want to impact the world, and if you do, start living differently from it. This is Kary Oberbrunner, Be a Soul on Fire.